today's video, let me give you a quick tour here in Mactan, Cebu International Airport for those who departing and landing here in Cebu Airport. Ito pong airport ay isa sa pinakamalaking airport sa Pilipinas. And meron po itong dalawang terminals, isa para sa domestic flights at isa naman po ay for international flights. Sa requirements for domestic flights, valid ID and itinerary ticket nyo lang po ang ipapakita ninyo sa counter. And for international flights, passport, itinerary ticket, and other document for OFWs, and travel tax. And also sa mga papalabas at papasok ng Pilipinas, huwag niyo po kalimutan na mag-register sa e-travel 3 days before po ng inyong flights. Dahil possible pa rin po kayong hanapan ng e-travel QR code dito sa Mactan International Airport. And speaking of flights, I'm a travel agent. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng promo flights, nagbubook po ako ng flights, ferry, hotels, and mga tour package. Bisitahin nyo lang po ang aming Facebook page na Sanos Travel and Tour. And that's it for a quick tour. Kung may question po kayo regarding on this video, feel free to comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo po, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Liz Kalim. Thank you for watching. God bless and see you on my next video.